Hi folks, this is Tamara Williams Van Horn from Auntie Corn Leadership Strategies, and you are joining me today from a place called The Confluence. We've been invited today to sit in ceremony with the flower fairies. So please allow me to guide you to your seat and give you a little orientation and then some space to just sit in ceremony with the flower fairies and receive what they have for you. Here's your seat. Please make yourself comfortable. Take a look around at the lily pads and the dragonflies in the concrete. And this is where the flower fairies will join you. As they circle you, be reminded that they are here to be in ceremony with you. You need do no thing. Connect with your breath. Pay attention to how your body is inhaling and taking in life and exhaling and giving life back to the universe. And now feel the flower fairies circling you. How are they behaving? Are they moving? Are they still? Are they reverent? Are they bringing a little bit of mischief, irreverence, frivolity, solemnity? And where are you noticing that the flower fairies are not bringing you just one thing, but multiple things? Poles. So some irreverence balanced by great reverence and sacredness. Feel them gift to you, thank them, and then return to yourself.